what you think about it. Ya la avisen a los sellos para que se preparen. Porque la calle pide salsa, comparsa. Un poco bien, un poco mal en la balanza. Millonarios quieren comprar mi esperanza. Ni con 50 millones les alcanza.
Oh shit, I see you, grandma. Look at grandma's over there trying to get chose. Y'all better stop playing for you get chose. All right, come on, man. Let's get into this. It was just Trueno, dance CRIP. I went through my comments. Somebody said I should do it, so let's go ahead and get into it. Shout out to Trueno. If it's dance CRIP, it's what I think it is. Shout out to the Crips, man. You know what I'm talking about? Let's get it. Oh, is it Spanish? Huh? Okay. Damn, I don't think this shit is English, and I ain't got no subtitles. Damn it.
En la calle me conocen como el hip hop, the real dance CRIP. La cara de los jóvenes del país es el turro más pegado. What the fuck is this? Si tu número es contado.
Alright, hold on, I don't build doodles. I ain't got no goddamn subtitles. I ain't gonna be able to understand nothing this nigga saying, man. God damn it.
La cara de los jóvenes del país es el turro más pegado. What the fuck is this? Si tu número es contado, Jerry, ya tú sabes, como sabes, sonando los bares. What you think about it? Ya la avisen a los sellos para que se preparen. Porque la calle pide salsa, comparsa. Un poco bien, un poco mal en la balanza. Millonarios quieren comprar mi esperanza. Ni con 50 millones les alcanza.
Oh shit, I see you, grandma. Look at grandma's over there trying to get chose. Y'all better stop playing for you get chose.
Millonarios quieren comprar mi esperanza. Ni con 50 millones les alcanza. ATR Vido gangsta. La promesa como Lío Messi en Barça. El único que escuchaba rap desde la panza. Bye. En la calle me conocen como el hip hop, the real dance CRIP. La cara de los hombres del país es el turro más pegado. What the fuck is this? Si tu número es contado, Jerry,
Alright, what's good, my people? So look, man, I gotta make my own commercial because the budget's low. I can't hand no hand to do it, so I gotta do it my goddamn self. But look, subscribe to the channel, man. We're trying to build this channel up, man. We're trying to build it up as much as we can, as high as we can. Come on, y'all know I'm y'all favorite reactor. Come on now. Y'all fuck with your boy, man. Build the channel up, man. Subscribe to the channel. Like it. The more you like it, YouTube gonna share it. You know what I'm saying? YouTube share it everywhere. So I need everybody to hit that like button. A lot of people miss that out. You know what I'm saying? Miss that out. Miss out on that. Hitting that like button. Also, too, y'all comment down below. Let me know what other people y'all want me to do. Because you never know. I'll do anything. And as far as reaction, I ain't gonna say I'll do anything. You know what I'm saying? I'll do reactions. But look, also, too, y'all comment down below. Share it. Share. That's how we build this channel up. That's how we make a community. Share the channel for your boy. Also, check the links down below. We have a GoFundMe, man. My girlfriend was snatched off the bridge and almost fucking died about a little over a month ago. And the person's still on the loose and everything. Nobody's trying to do shit, so that's why we're trying to do our own thing, you know what I mean? So if you could, please donate to the GoFundMe. And I appreciate everybody who has donated already, because we really do appreciate it. Also, too, anytime you do anything as far as like sharing any of my stuff or watching anything of my stuff, tag me in it. That way I know who actually mess with JohnMarshallProductions and mess with Twigga. Until then, my people, I love y'all and thank y'all for watching my channel. No, he don't got the old people, man. Come on, man. They know what he's talking about. Que ahora todos quieren fama, quieren lana. Te reúno, techo y cama y unos besos de la mama. En la cima no hace frío, no drama, son los sellos. I feel bad because I don't know what he's saying, but this motherfucker funky and jamming. I don't know what's going on. I know y'all gonna comment down below, but like, you know what? You shouldn't have done this because you don't know nothing he's saying. But man, come on, I'm fucking with it. I don't know what it is, but I'm fucking with it. Te reúno, techo y cama y unos besos de la mama. En la cima no hace frío, no drama. Son los sellos que me llaman y que dejo pa' mañana. Vengo de la puna, traje el pan pa' mi pana, pobre competencia, Trueno gana sin ganar. Yo, viajo por América, la Panamericana. Hey, y'all just gonna act like we ain't noticed y'all coming out that goddamn van and all that goddamn smoke. What was y'all smoking? And let your boy hit it one time, man. I seen y'all get out that damn van. Viajo por América, la Panamericana. Look at that. Boy, y'all really smoking in that motherfucker. Hotboxing.
Mami, el vocero soy yo.
Where he at? Y'all comment down below where he at.
El mundo entero me oyó. En el carro soy
He throwing up proposals. I don't know where he at, but he throwing up proposals.
¿Quién más rapero que yo? En la calle me conocen como el hip hop.
Hey, come on, I just know it's got some hip hop.
Más rapero que yo. En la calle me conocen como el hip hop. The hip, the real dance CRIP. La cara de los jóvenes del país. Es el turro más pegado. What the fuck is this? Si tu número es contado en la calle me conocen como el hip hop. The hip, the real dance CRIP.
Oh shit, it's real CRIP shit. Y'all know nothing about that CRIP shit. Y'all know nothing about that CRIP shit. Some real CRIP shit right here. Come on, man, I fuck with this shit funky, man. And I fuck with some CRIP. Oh, get it, ladies. Get it, ladies. Hey, man, shout out to the dance CRIP, man. I understand nothing he said, but I knew it was about some CRIP shit, and I fuck with CRIP shit. You know what I'm talking about? Shout out to my nigga Trueno. Trueno. Is it Trueno or Trueno? It's probably Trueno. Shout out to my nigga Trueno. Hey, man, I'm gonna have to get the lyrics to this motherfucker, man, because this bitch jammy. You know what I'm saying? That motherfucker hit them foes. He hit that C-walk on him and stop playing with your boy, man. Real talk. Y'all gonna get mad at me like I said, because I understand nothing he's saying. But it's still a real reaction. You know, I'm still fucking with it. You know what I'm saying? Real talk. Y'all comment down below and y'all send me the lyrics to it so I know exactly what he's saying. You know what I'm talking about? But let's get into another one, man. Shout out.